Welcome to XIOHOO Quick Tips. Do you find it difficult to find hawker centres in Singapore? Continue watching to find out more. Open MyENV application. Scroll down and find hawker centre. Tap on hawker centre. The map shows the current location you are at. This will show hawker centres that are detected near you. Scroll down to see more features. We are able to see the distance, status and address of the hawker centre. Tap on Get Directions on Map. Select OK. This will show you the route to reach the hawker centre using different types of transports. Tap Follow to receive notification from the hawker centre. This will notify you if the hawker centre is closed or open for business. You can check the spring cleaning period under Next Closure Date here. You can also tap on nearby hawker centres to see others around the area. Additional information shows you the number of food and market stalls with a short description. Tap on Go to Google 360 View to take a look of the hawker centre. Tap on the front or back arrows to take a look around the hawker centre. Select all hawker centre closures. This shows all the hawker centre operations. You can set a filter to view them by months or alphabetical order. Tap the search bar and search for the hawker centre around Singapore. They will provide the information below here. Tap on the three dots at the right top. You can share or edit your settings. Tap on the search bar, type in the location. Tap search and you will find what you are searching for. Select View Details. You can search any hawker centre in Singapore and their details. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist to watch more videos. Follow us on facebook.com/XIOHOO and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.